Hello viewers and welcome to Luo English Dictionary channel. Now this channel is meant for both adults and kids, so you can no longer be able to turn on your notifications. So you shall be able to search our videos and maybe like, but you'll not be able to comment. So if you want to comment on any of our videos, please send us an email on the link on this email here. So this is where you'll be able to.
Or maybe you can go to this website. This link, this website.
Good. So welcome to this channel. And my name is Agina.
My name is Nikki.
And today's video is about words that start with the letter C. And the first one is cha.
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 And cha, you say cha.
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 There.
There.
Okay? Yonder or there. Cha.
Cha.
So you can say erego. Cha.
Erego. Cha.
Or erego. Cha.
Erego. Cha.
So cha means it's so far, but cha means it's just here. Chabla chabla.
Chabla chabla.
Chabla chabla.
Chabla chabla.
So chabla chabla means it's mixed together. So if you mix a lot of things together, you say chabla chabla.
Chabla chabla.
Church.
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 Like church. Church.
Church.
Church is violence. Okay? And ohero church
Ohero church.
is a person who loves violence. Okay? Chachni.
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 Chachni means not according to your plan. So you had planned that you'll get out of the house, go to A, B, and C, but when you get out of the house, you get that it's raining and you cannot use your car, and so your plans have chachni. Your plans have been mixed up. Okay? Chachni. Then number 5 is chacho.
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 Chacho means to distract. So when I'm talking, you keep on chacha, it's chacha. Like you keep distracting, interjecting, and that's distracting me. That is chacho.
Chacho.
Chan.
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 Jachan.
Jachan.
So chan is poverty.
Poverty.
Is it poverty or poverty?
Poverty.
Poverty. So Jachan is a poor person. Jachan.
Jachan.
And Jachan.
And Jachan.
That means he's a poor person. Chandruok.
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 Chandruok is suffering.
Suffering.
So if someone is suffering, they're undergoing chandruok.
Chandruok.
Remember, chandruok and chan are two different things. Chan is a poor person and chandruok is suffering. You can be jachan and not chandruok. Okay?
Okay.
Or you can be suffering but you're not poor. Chako.
Chaco.
Chako means start. Chako.
Chaco.
Chako.
Chaco.
Chango.
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 Chango means to be healed. So if you're sick and you're being healed or you're being cured of a disease, then you say achango.
Achango.
Achango means
I'm
being healed or I'm beginning to get better. Achango. Chal.
Chal.
Chal means they're similar or they resemble. You see twins?
Yes.
Twins, chal.
Chal.
Okay? Chal. Gichal.
Gichal.
That
Or maybe
means
we can put a picture of me and a picture of another person to see if we're twins.
that means chal. Okay?
Yes.
Chanruok.
Chandruok.
Not chandruok. Chanruok.
Chanruok.
So remember this N only. Chanruok.
Chanruok.
Chanruok means the way you have arranged things, or the arrangement of everything. Chano. Chano is to arrange. So Chanruok is how everything has been arranged. Chanruok, okay? Chero.
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 Chero is to spy on somebody or to spy on something. Chia.
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 Now, chia is the equivalent of handsome or good looks in English. So, chia, engat manigi chia.
Engat manigi chia.
So, he's someone with good looks. Okay? Chiel.
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 Chiel is a hedge or a fence. So, a fence is called a chiel.
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 Chiemo.
Chiemo.
Chiemo is what?
Food.
Food. Chiemo is food. But also chiemo is the act of eating itself. Like when you're eating, you say achiemo. And when there is food, the food itself is also called chiemo. So chiemo is twice. Okay?
Okay.
Chieno.
Chieno.
Chieno is to bewitch. You know what bewitch is? No. Like if there's an evil, those people who bewitch people.
Oh, people
Those-
hypnotize?
I don't know. So I don't know what chieno is. And then the only way to know is to send us an email. Tell us the meaning of chieno. But it's to bewitch in English. Then there is chico.
Chico.
Chico is to set a trap. So, a chico mwanda.
A chico mwanda.
That means I've set a trap for a... Mwanda is what? Mwanda is a...
Animal?
Yeah, that small and that looks like a deer. It's called
Antelope.
antelope. A chico
Or a
mwanda.
gazelle.
Or a gazelle, whatever. A chico mwanda means I've set a trap for a gazelle or an antelope. And finally, chong.
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 Chong is knee.
Knee.
Good. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please subscribe and keep checking our channel for more videos of the same. Have a nice day.
Poriti.
Goodbye.